This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn drifted lower on weakness in the crude oil market and excellent planting progress yesterday. Although talk that some ethanol plants may be increasing production was somewhat supportive to the market. That thought was reinforced by the weekly ethanol report, which showed production up by 61,000 barrels per day over the previous week's numbers. It was also encouraging to see ethanol stocks decrease by 725,000 barrels from the previous week. While that is encouraging, bears point to the historically slow ethanol production rate, as well as the fear that we'll see reduced corn demand in the animal feeding sector. As I record this, however, the bulls seem to be in command as we have spot corn futures trading up 3 cents this morning. Soybeans were lower as they were pressured by a weak Brazilian real, which has encouraged their farmers to be aggressive sellers. In the overnight trade, they're snapping back, and we have spot soybean futures trading 7 cents higher as I record this. Rain in the EU and Black Sea region, combined with plentiful supplies, strength in the U.S. dollar, and light demand, drove the wheat market lower yesterday. Again, we're off to a stronger start this morning, with Chicago, Kansas City, and Minneapolis all trading 7 cents higher. Cotton prices posted a higher close on Wednesday, with the July futures finishing up 93 points to settle at 54.51. In the overnight trade, we have spot cotton futures trading an additional 103 points higher. Livestock futures turned in a strong performance yesterday. June live cattle futures finished the day up the $3 limit, while August feeder cattle were up their $4.50 limit at the closing bell. Lean hog futures did not have a limit move, but did finish stronger, with the June futures up $1.30 at the close. And after closing higher the first 2 days of the week, we saw Class 3 milk futures slip just slightly yesterday, with the June futures closing 1 point lower to settle at $13.62. In the overnight trade, we're 9 points lower as I record this. And meat cutout values just continue to explode higher. We saw choice beef boxes $20.19 higher to close at $449.18 yesterday, while select boxes were $21.25 higher as they settled at $431.96. Pork carcass values were $1.48 higher, as they closed at $115.06 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.